boys and girls, welcome to Gruvgear Guitar. It's Wednesday. You know what that means. You have wished for songs, and now we're here. I give them to you. And do you, by any chance, want to bump up the chances of having your song here on next Wednesday or the next after that? Yes, you can do that right now. You can go and check out my new channel. It's called Gruvgear Guitar 6 Strings Ago. Link up here. It's a new channel where you're gonna play a full song from A to Z. You're gonna watch me doing that, and you follow along with chords shown on the screen. And when you have subscribed to that channel, you leave me a comment. You comment of whatever song you want to learn, and you also mention that you have subscribed to that new channel, and I will put you higher on the list. And yeah, most certainly you will have your song faster. So thank you for watching this and collaborate with me. Together we grow. So yeah, hope to see your comments here. Now let's focus on this song. We have cape on third, and that's the absolute best scenario. Have two very simple chords, and that's it, guys. Only two chords that rolls in the same way through the entire song. Couldn't be easier than that. So let's go through the chords. We have the first one, which I call is the C at 9, but with a G in the bass, like that. So you're gonna place, or I do that at least, my mid finger on the 3rd fret E string. Then comes my ring finger right beneath there on the 3rd fret A. Then my index on the 2nd fret D. Then open G, my little pinky on the 3rd fret B, and then open high E. That is the chord. And why do I hold like that? Because the next chord is the A7 sus4. What you're going to do from this is just to open up the mid and your ring finger to this. Okay, so the chord will be open A, then comes the 2nd D, then open G, then 3rd B, and open E. And you're gonna alternate these two chords. So you're gonna put them back again, the fingers, on the 3rd fret, E and A. And then open up. So. That's what's going on. Now, we have a strumming pattern to this, and I chose to go with the pattern that is played in the introduction of the song, okay? Kind of the intro, okay? So it goes like this. So one strumming round will be like this: down, 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 up. To start with, so down, 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 up. And I really like to play on that first down on the bass strings to really mark out the chord, because we have two chords that goes back and forth. So you really want to kind of give, this is the chord I'm playing right now. So bass, then that's okay. Then you continue with up, down, down, up, down, up. That's it. So down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, up. You're gonna play one of these per chord. Just alternate the C add and then the A7. So. That's it, guys, and especially you, Yan Jiang. Maybe I forgot to mention your name. You have asked for a song, and here we are. 2 chords only, and I hope you will subscribe to my new channel as well, as a thank you for this work, and also to get your future songs here on the Wish Wednesday part of the Gruvgear Guitar. So go and check out my new channel. That is what I want you to do. And till next time, guys, play tuned.